Yeah, good morning. So Friday after Thursday, strong move in US market. Friday saw more of a consolidation and the market ended more of a flattish over there. Today morning futures are a bit minus, and also the Asian markets are also seeing some negativeness except Japan. Most of the markets are negative. Uh, in commodity also, we are seeing some corrections. Oil is down by around $2, whereas iron ore is coming off very sharply and it's down by almost around 3%, and steel is by 0.5%. Decline in iron ore is mainly driven by increasing inventory in China. The strong figure which came on Friday for inventory in build-up at port in China has led to sharp decline in the prices of iron ore over there. Uh, Overall signals are a bit mixed. If you see the dollar index, that has moved up by around 8 bips as compared to Friday same time. But whereas if you see the US dollar 10-year index is down by around 10 bips. So overall indications are a bit mixed from the international market, and market what we feel it can remain range bound in today's trade. Now I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. So we have seen flattest session, Friday's trading session, where Nifty has made a high of 22,297, which is approximately 22,300. Even we feel today the markets are gonna expect give us a flattish opening, and we're gonna expect a range bound move in today's trading session as well. Whereas the immediate resistance for Nifty lies at the same point, which is 22,300. If that is surpasses on closing level, then only we'll see a rally to about 22,370 to 22,440 mark. Whereas the downside support lies at 22,170. If that is broken on closing basis, then we can expect a downward trend towards 22,100 to 22,000 level as well. Talking about Bank Nifty has shown a profit booking from 47,400 levels. It has made a high of 47,400 in Friday's trading session, as well as Wednesday's trading session. And Bank Nifty is facing that resistance from quite some time now. And the one thing to note here is Bank Nifty has broken this 50-day moving average on closing basis, which was a big support zone for Bank Nifty, which was at 46,950, and it has closed at 46,840. For today, the immediate support for Bank Nifty is placed at 46,600. If that is broken, then 46,370 will act as a very important support zone for Bank Nifty. Whereas again, the upside resistance lies at 47,400. If that is broken, then we can expect a rally towards 47,750 to 48,000 levels. Moving on to Financial Nifty, it has closed around 20,700 levels. The downside support lies at 20,630, followed by 20,560, whereas the upside resistance lies at 20,800 and 20,900. Moving talking about stocks, we feel Apollo Hospital is looking good at current levels. It has given a breakout of downward sloping trend line, and we feel it can go up to 7,025 levels by keeping a strict stop loss of 6650. Second stock we are liking is Paradeep Phosphate. It has given a breakout on the daily and weekly charts, and we feel it can go up to 85 levels by keeping a strict stop loss of 7750. So that's all from my side. I request Amit to take the call forward.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we witnessed that the overall position from the OI front, the position are quite right now on the range bound scenario, because in Friday trading session on the closing basis, we have witnessed that some sort of pressure has been witnessed on the index front, due to which the call right positions which was there at 22,300 to 500 level remain intact. So once in today's trading session, Nifty manages to get a stable about 22,200 mark for first half of trading session. Then again, we might witness some fresh buying opportunity in the market. Currently, the closing which came in the Friday session of the Nifty was around 22,200 level, which was the major resistance for the Nifty. So Nifty might struggle around this resistance zone and near this zone. Once in Nifty manages to get stable about 22,300 level, again we might witness the buying opportunity, because the positions from the put writer front which we are seeing is quite stable around 22,000 mark, because at 22,000 level we are seeing that almost 11 million positions of put writer is intact on the monthly basis, due to which we might expect the supportive base to be strong on the lower end, while PCROI yesterday on the Friday session closed at 1.03 level. Once if PCR again goes above in today's session above 1.08 level, then we might see some strength to be getting higher on the Nifty front, while India VIX is trading on the upper end around 15 level. Till the time India VIX is not going below 13 level, till that point of time we might witness some aggressive volatility in the market. So once if India VIX goes above 16.5 level, that might be a trigger point or the cautious point for the market. We should wait for the India VIX till the time it's going above 16.5 level. Till the time it's not going above 16.5 level, till that point of time we might see some volatility to be in the range of 300 to 400 point. Once if it goes above 16.5 level, the volatility range will get increased by 500 to 800 points in coming trading sessions. So overall view seems to be on the positive front to hold the long position with the support of 22,000 mark. But on the stock specific front, the counter that looks positive in today's trading session will be Indian Hotel, AB Capital, and REC Limited. This four counter looks positive in today's trading session. While on the negative front, Siemens, Coal India, and Piramal PEL looks a negative in today's trading session. So that's it from Better to Front. Thank you.
Good morning. Skipper has received an order of 737 crores from Power Grid Corporation for EPC work of 765 kV transmission line project. That's positive. Transformers and Rectifiers India Limited, that is TRIL, received an order worth 232 crores from PGCIL. That's also positive. And Zen Technologies has approved the acquisition of 51% stake in AI Turing Technologies with a consideration of almost 4 crores, which will become a subsidiary of the company. Acquisition will provide complete counter drone solution, including electro-optics, as well as backward integration, and along with that, the technology, IP, and talent of AI Turing. So this will be positive for Zen Technologies. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, Rain Industries has reported results on Friday, and the results were apparently looks quite weak, but that was mainly because of one-off provisions. If we exclude that, then the results were flattish quarter on quarter, but is seeing substantial decline from the previous period because of the declining CPC prices. And the company, though the raw material is also declining, but they are facing high cost inventory prices pressures, and that's why the results are subdued in this quarter. But the outlook from here seems to be improving, though the result has come down. But from here, because of the raw material and finished product, both prices are down. Their margins, which were impacted because of the inventory losses, will start improving from the current quarter. So outlook from here seems positive for Rain Industry. Then Sanofi also came up with the numbers, Sanofi India Limited, and the results were below expectations. Revenue came in at 694 crores versus expectation of 712 crores. And EBITDA margin also came bit lower than the expectations. It came at 27% versus expectation of 29%. So a bit negative for Sanofi India. Then Jiggle prepaid card has announced that they had a tie-up with Incure Pharmaceuticals Limited for sale of their for providing the Jiggle save propositions and benefit and expense management platform to the company, and that will be a positive for Jaggle Prepaid. And also JSW Infra has been awarded another dry bulk on VO Chidambaram Port Authority. That will have additional business growth opportunity for JSW Infra, where they can handle dry bulk cargo at this port on berth number 3. So that will take some time, but yeah, as the JSW Infra has guided for a strong growth, and this is one of the addition to that. So overall outlook on JSW Infra looks positive from here, though the valuation seems a bit costlier for the company. And I'll request commodity team to take up from here. Harshal, if you can start.
Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, in today's session, we are expecting some uh, gap down opening, and one can initiate a buy in gold around 62,200 with a stop loss of 62,000. And on upside, we are eyeing for 62,450 to 62,600, where profit taking is advisable. Silver also, we are expecting buying around 70,000 with a stop loss of 69,500. On upside, 70,700, 71,000. One should take the profits. Whereas in metal, prices are expected to correct. Copper March contract, one can sell around 730 with the stop loss of 733, and on downside we are expecting 725-24 levels. Zinc should consolidate from 211 to 15. If prices are correcting till 212, one can initiate a buy with a stop loss of 210.50. Crude oil prices are resisting the upside zone at 65.50. So, and in today's session, it is expected to uh, test 60 to 50 on downside. So, all in all, sell on dry strategy should be applied. And natural gas, we are expecting a range bound movement from 125 to 145. If prices are testing 130 and it is sustaining, then one can buy with a stop loss of 125 for the upside target of 140, 145. So that's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Good morning. For today's trading session in USD INR, we are expecting some sideways to bearish momentum. So, for intraday purpose, one can initiate a short positions around 82.90 to 82.94 levels with a stop loss of 82.01 for the target of 82.85 and 82.75 levels. In GBP INR, one can initiate a short long positions on the CMP level 104.98 levels with a stop loss of 104.74 for the target of 105.15 and 105.32 levels. In Euro INR, if prices breaks the level of 89.83 levels, so one can initiate a long positions with a stop loss of 189.60 for the target of 90.02 and 90.22 levels. Thank you.